Hi guys, so I have another swap reveal and it is for my favorite things group swap. And if you want to see the requirements, you can just pause the video really quickly. I'll try to put a picture of this, well, a printout of this in the beginning of all of the videos. So if you want to see the requirements, but our next swap is from Jenny. And Jenny has a YouTube and an Instagram that I will link in the title of this video. And I'm going to read you. She put a little note in here, so I'm going to read it here. So it says, "Hello, you can call me the crazy chicken lady, LOL. I currently have 12 and they're all different breeds. 11 are hens and 1 rooster. Anyway, let me explain my favorite things. I used Echo Park Chicken's paper collection. For the packaging, I used a Recollections confetti, all black and white polka dots. I did the packaging simple so it can be reused. Just add your own embellishments to make them go with your own crafts. I made a smaller altar notebook for Lisa's favorite. The tote die is my favorite thing to use for swaps because it's big and easy to make. The rosette is also something I like to make. The bows I've had for years and still love to make them. I also like making flowers, so I have a die that cuts so many at once. It makes it very easy for me to create them. I love making shakers, beatable items, and dangles. It's always good to have a glue bottle, stopper, topper on hand to help get those glue bottles unplugged. I love to use shaker mixes or bling to add a pop of interest to my projects. The trim samples are also something I like to use in many different ways. I've crinkled the seam binding from vintage ribbon I inherited from my grandmother. I love having scissors everywhere I turn in my craft room. My favorite is a pair I got from my grandmother, and I have no clue what brand it is or where they came from, but the handle is so comfortable in my hand. And then lastly, my favorite snack treat is trail mix. Thanks for swapping, Jenny." Okay, so this is probably a letter that I'll make sure I include to go with her swap partner. And you can see that she has a whole bunch of little crinkle in here. And then, okay, so this one says for Lisa. And then she has the tote that she was talking about. That's black and white right here. So this is for her swap partner, and there's more goodies in here. Okay, so the scissors she was talking about are her favorite tool. So that goes in here. And then let me make sure I'm not forgetting anything. No, okay. All right, so let's open what's for me first, just in case. Although she gave us very good directions in the little explanation. And mine is in a little Valentine's Day bag. 'Tis the season. Sorry, guys, if my voice sounds a little bit hoarse. I had a lot of fun this weekend. Lots of fun this weekend. Oh, and it's a KS Crafts hot cocoa pouch. And how cute she did it, like Valentine's Day theme. That's the thing I love about these dies, is that you can literally use them for all holidays. Like, I remember she used this for Christmas. A lot of us did for a different swap we were all a part of. But how cute is this? Okay, so she made a little rosette, a little heart rosette, and then this is like a wax seal. And I don't know if she made this. It looks like she did. It's so pretty because it has like a little, either the clear sticker is on top or she kind of put it into the wax seal, and then she made a little topper here that says hugs and kisses, and then she used one of these cute little heart clothespins, and then she has a whole bunch of fun goodies in here. So we have some marshmallows, heart marshmallows, how cute, and a little kind of probably a peppermint stick, and then okay, cute. I'm gonna open that in a second. And then she put 2 different hot cocoa packs and milk chocolate, and then look on the inside how she used the paper. And I do this too, like, because this cuts out something right in the middle here, and instead of wasting it, just put it in the back so then you can see it and it's pretty. So thank you so much, Jenny. And look, she did this little I think I bought this die, but I haven't had a chance to use it yet, and she used such a good use of those foam stickers that we all have a million of. And she used one of those little beaded bows from Michael's that we were all going crazy over, and a little flower in the center. And then this is a little chapstick holder, and it just opens on the side, and then there's a chapstick inside. Oh, it's Whoppers. That's cute. My boys love Whoppers. Oh my goodness, they love Whoppers. And so she made that for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jenny, for my yummy treats. So I'm gonna move my stuff over to the side. I love how you took something that was Christmassy and made it into Valentine's Day. That's so good. Okay, let me put this over here to the side. And then let's get to the swap. So her favorite tool we see here are scissors. Don't we all love scissors? And I love that she has like a small one of fussy cutting, a medium, and a large. That's kind of how I use my scissors too. Are like small, medium, large, basically. And I love that she likened it because she said like she has some tools from her grandmother that have comfy handles, and these have comfy handles too. So I will put this back in the box for your swap partner. And then we have her swap. So she made it super easy for me to get into, which I very much appreciate. And look here, so she has this pretty trim around the outside of her bag that she used to package. And I think, yes, so her bag is actually one of her favorite dyes. So she labeled it right here. So that's cute. And then let's get into this. Oh, look at the chickens. I've actually seen this collection. It is so stinking cute. So there's some shred in the bottom of here. How cute. Look at this little notebook. Oh, it's adorable. Look at the little chickens. This is so perfect. Literally, this is the perfect cut apart for this. Look at how cute these little chickens are. And she covered, like she altered a notebook, and she has like some ribbon on the side, and then she has paper in the front and back. So that's so cute. So this was my favorite thing that had to be included. So cute. And then number 2 is what she loves to make. So this is one of her crafter's choice items. And as you can see, she put this super cute beaded pen and pokey tool, which let me see if I can open this so we can look at it up close and personal. On here, like I told you guys, I used to be able to pause, but I can't reach my, I can't reach it anymore, so. And then, so look at this, look how cute. So she has this little chicken on the top of here. How cute is this? This little fuzzy bead here. And then these are just like, you know, it's a beadable pen, so it clicks to open. And then look, she made you a pokey tool. And it has another one of these cutesy chickens. And I like how they're all in different colors. So cute. And she has like the little topper on here too, so that it's not dangerous to open. So adorable. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to tie this back when the video's done. I'll tie that back. That'll be easy for me to do. And then number 3. Oh, she made a glue bottle. You know, you guys know, I do not have a glue bottle topper. And for the life of me, I can't figure out how to make one. So maybe I'm going to look at this. So how she has it is it's like there's like a pin on here, and then she has like all this stuff hanging from it. And look at this beautiful chicken that she has hanging from here. How cute. And what a good use of like a little acrylic piece. And then she like basically wire wrap some beads and put them on here. How cute. And then this makes it, the reason why people have these and why they decorate them is because you know how sometimes you have these little pins, and I'm always losing mine. I don't know about you guys. So sometimes if you make them have like more stuff, they make them harder to lose. So she not only made you the little pin, but she gave you a little pops of color. So these are like little, gosh, there's another name. Like stickles. They're like stickles, but they're the scrapbook.com version. I know a lot of people love these. I have a few of them too, but I always forget to use them. So this is super cute. So she loves making these little glue bottle toppers. So this is another thing that she loves to make. And then this is her favorite sweet and salty treat. So let's see if I can get in here without, okay, this one looks like it'll open up easy. This side looks like it'll open up easily. Okay, so let's open up this side here. How cute. I like this little die too. This little sweets die. So in here, her favorite sweet treat is, she said it was trail mix, but what kind is it? What kind is it? Also, this is from Mayer, so it's a sweet and salty one that has like the little M&Ms in it, the peanuts, raisins, sunflower seeds, kernels. Very cute. Should I have taken this out? Am I going to be able to get this back in? Okay, I'm not going to make you guys watch me struggle. I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, then this is a favorite decorative item. Okay, so I'm going to just slide this over here. I love how she packaged everything individually. Oh, okay, so she loves decorating with sequins. She said she loves making shakers. This is pretty. And then also these little blingy things here. So these are like, you know, the pearls and stuff that we all put all over our projects. I like using those too. I like using those also. So that is her favorite decorative item. And then, okay, so we also have her another favorite decorative item, which is, this is like seam binding and trim. This is so pretty. These are pretty colors too. Very pretty colors. And then look at these. This is what she loves to make. Look at these little shaker chickens, and look how they have eggs. That's so cute. That's like they hatched eggs coming out of them all over. And she used the same sequin mix, and she made a little one and a big one. How cute are these? These are adorable. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness, they're adorable. And they're super thick shakers too. She used like 2 layers of foam. These are so cute. I love the little beaded eyes. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. And she even embossed the paper in the background and like colored on the lines of the embossing. That's such a good idea to kind of like bring it out more. Yeah, I love that. I love how you put the little chickens. That is so cute. It's like, I mean, put the little eggs on the bottom. That's adorable. Okay, her favorite die. So she made this one here. Let me take this one out so we can see all the little trim details. Let's see. Okay, good. And she also embossed this too to make it look like, you know, the fence. It's so cute. And so she has a little puffy, like a little foam sticker here. And then look at the little eggs that the chicken hatched. And then look, she has this really cute mesh in the background that matches perfectly. She did a rosette back here. And then she has a flat, kind of like a flat embellishment back here. And then another rosette on top. So cute. So this is like super duper chunky. Oh my goodness gracious. And how cute. I love this. The chicken paper is so adorable. Oh my goodness. And then she made some bows. It's another one of her favorite dies. So I'm not sure which one of these is her favorite die. If it's all of them or if it's the back rosette. This one, I know I love this one myself. Actually, it's so cute. And then her little bag toppers are so cute too. And then this is another one of her favorite dies. This is this stitched bow. And I forgot who makes this bow, but I see it all the time. I know this is a lot of people's favorite die. And I like how she put like tiered eggs. So she has 1 egg, 2 eggs, and 3 eggs on each of the sizes. So, so cute. And then this is another one of her favorite dies. And this is a flower die that she talked about. And so she made you some flowers. So, so cute. And I just can't get over how you emboss the background. I love that. I have so many embossing folders and I just still have not used them. So yes, so thank you so much, Jenny, for participating in this swap. It was so good to like get to know you. And I feel like this is the epitome of like doing something that you love. Like she loves chickens. It's like, okay, she found some chicken paper and she made a chicken swap. And make sure you guys show Jenny some crafty love. I will make sure that I link her Instagram in the description bar and her YouTube channel, because she does have a YouTube channel. That'll be in the title, so you can click on it and go right over there. And make sure that you add the rest of, or you watch the rest of them. I'll have a playlist in the description bar of not just this year's, but last year's as well. So if you want to get some ideas from crafters, some tools you might need to go pick up, make sure you check that out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.